5-pack. Lightning car charger for charging portable Apple devices when traveling in the car. Apple MFi Certified, ensures complete compatibility with iPhone 13, 12, 11, 13, 12, 11 Pro, 13, 12, 11 Pro Max, 13, 12 Mini, XS/XS Max, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8, 7 Plus, 7, 6s Plus, 6s, 6 Plus, 6, 5s, 5C, 5, iPhone SE1, SE2, iPad Pro, 12.9 in, 10.5 in, 9.7 in, iPad Pro 2, 12.9 in, iPad Air, Air 2, Air 3, iPad Mini, Mini 2, Mini 3, Mini 4, Mini 5, iPad 9th Gen, iPod Touch 5th Gen, iPod Nano 7th Gen and Beats Bill Plus. Plugs directly into your car's DC adapter for convenient high-speed charging, 2.4A output. Coiled cable length approximately 1.5 feet. Extends up to 5.0 feet when pulled tightly to uncoil, white color. Charging speed varies depending on device. Charge portable Apple devices with this coiled cable lightning car charger when traveling in the car. Plugs directly into a car's DC adapter for convenient high-speed charging, 2.4A output. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I've had this charger for about 3 months now and it's working great. Much better charge than when I tried charging with a USB port. Glad I made the purchase.